Airtel seems to be making a last call for all investors. The call contains an incentive.
In order to encourage participation in the IPO and promote more allocation to Ugandan investors, the Board of Directors has proposed a substantial enhancement of the incentive structure. The company is keen to promote broad ownership of our shares and welcomes the participation of all investors. We are excited about our growth trajectory and have at minimum doubled the incentive shares available for all categories of investors to further enhance the attractiveness of our IPO.
The revised offer followed the blessing of the Capital Markets Authority, which said in a statement seen by NTV today that the offer should interest institutional investors, saying they are the largest participants in the country's capital markets.
All investors who have previously applied for shares will receive the revised incentive shares in November of 2023 when we allocate. The IPO is coming to a close on 27th October at 4 p.m. That's this coming Friday. I call upon those who wish to make the last minute applications to do so. We have a strong team of partners on this transaction that will assist you to make an informed choice.
Crested Capital Limited is the lead sponsoring broker for Airtel's IPO.
It's something that enhances the offer. So the idea is to, as it goes back to the original listing, right? So the listing is to bring Ugandans on board, to bring investors to share in the success of the company. And so the transaction has given this additional incentive because they see this as a way to do that. The additional incentives would make it more attractive for investors.
We think that Airtel carries actually very, very healthy levels of debt. Typically, I mean, if a credit officer say were to analyze Airtel's financials, typically the ratio, the net debt to EBITDA ratio that would typically give any credit officer worries is anything that goes say beyond 3.5 times. Airtel is at 1.3. 1.3 is very healthy. In fact, they can afford to carry on additional debt.
The company aims to sell 20% of its equity as part of the initial public offer.